Let's paint Frodo Baggins, the brave ring-bearer burdened with the fate of Middle-earth. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. Start with Crusader skin on the face, hands, and don't forget those hobbit feet. Paint the shirt with holy white. Use Gravelord Grey for the trousers. For the waistcoat, mix Beowulf Blue with Slaughter Red to get a rich burgundy tone. Apply dark wood to Frodo's hair, both on his head and feet. If needed, deepen the skin tone with another layer of Crusader skin. Paint the cloak with Absolution Green. Use Broadsword Silver for the sword's sting. Pick out the clasp and waistcoat buttons with Hoplite Gold. For the glowing elvish detailing on Sting, add a coat of Plasmatic Bolt. Frodo is ready to bear his burden and save Middle-earth.